Garden update. Today is August the 10th or 11th. This is how the garden is looking. Blueberries seem to like its new home, so that's good. So hopefully next year there'll be blueberries from it. Bring it back inside this year again. Strawberries here. I'm going to trim them off and see what happens. But it did not rain much when I was going on vacation, so they suffered. My tomato in the box. I'm probably going to pull this up pretty soon. We have some white ones. Not dead. I'm gonna check it out. Everything kind of suffered when the week I was gone. Strawberry. Corn. Okay. Edo. Plant these down before they die. They're still alive, so I have to plant them down before they die. And, watermelon, whatever that is, that's taking over. This was definitely mislabeled because this was supposed to be gooseberry, and that's definitely not gooseberry. So I might reach out back to them and let them know they send me the wrong plant. Over here we have our elderberry, which is growing really nice, giving me more side shoot, which is really good. And spinach and my lime. Lemon tree, my lemon, and it's giving a lot of side shoots, so that's a good thing. A lot of side shoots. Maybe make sure I get lemons off of it. Yeah, maybe make sure I get lemons. My cherry tree. I'm going to put this in a bigger pot by the end of the summer. And look at these spinach there. basil. I'm gonna pick up all of those. It likes this corner where you get a little bit of sun in the morning and then shade in the evening. And then we have sweet potato. Sweet potato and watermelon here. Second one that was eating by the bunnies. This year is not good for watermelon. I didn't get any watermelon this year. Something ate that. I have to clean up this corner and mulch it so that it look better. Alright, raspberries, they're coming to an end. So chives. Probably gonna do some of that today to cook. Sage. Smells amazing. So the garden is definitely winding down. The corn is done. So I'm going to take that out, chop it, and drop. A pot of brown cherries that I never separated. Which means I'm going to have 1,000. And next year I'll probably put them better. My pomegranate has definitely come alive and I'm happy. It is happy in its new home. My thyme is shooting back up. I had cut it all the way down and it's coming back. In here we have a rolled tomato. Came right up. The ground cherry here. If you've never tried ground cherry, I've got 2 of those. And we have more cherries. Basically the garden is winding down, so this is how the garden is looking right now. Let's go check out over here. I have a Carilla that I want to harvest. I'll let this one be a little bit. Running. I got my pepper plant in between. I think there's a nice big one that's ready. Yep. Look at that one. Here, let me take that one. Over here we have sweet potatoes and melons. Tomatillos or ground cherry. Watermelon here. I haven't seen any fruit on it yet. Yeah, I haven't seen any signs of fruit. Sweet potato box and regular potato box. Let's check out in the garden. See what's going on in there. Cucumber finally growing after being eaten and everything. Finally getting some cucumbers. Oh, I see a nice eggplant up there that I'm gonna pick. My grapevine. I need some food and water. garden has to get cleaned up. I'm gonna do that later on today. Next year I will definitely cover all of my fruit trees. Why am I still getting asparagus? Wow. So that's the garden. I'll do a garden cleanup later. That's how the garden is looking in the middle of August. Sweet potatoes.